Stipulations are correct that the rules come from this identical simple game has come. Anyway, I have to say, it's identical identical Savannah Starcraft Wings of Liberty game. And it is moving by this freaking news. And that's the news. That was the mad report. Hope you enjoyed. I did it. Hey guys, this is Moonblade. I can't see you. I can't see any of your faces in my mind. And my mobile. Boom! Pew! 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 Those teeny tiny feet feel like being my meat. Sorry, I'll stop in mid. Special word. Holy mother! Now guys, I'm not sure if I want to do Monday, because remember, we still need to do Monday before we have to infested villages. It takes an hour. I don't think I'm ready for this, man. No, not today. I don't think. Let's stop the load. Stop the load. Okay, first I'm gonna do my research. Ready? Oh man, we got this, baby! Never got this far. That's true.
Just out of curiosity, I did some tests on the minerals from Redstone. I thought you should know I found trace quantities of Jorium, a rare crystal with very unique properties.
I'm all ears, Doc. What kind of properties?
Jorium resonates at the same frequency as certain brainwaves. It's been theorized that it could be used to stimulate brain activity or even produce psionic abilities in human subjects.
What the hell does Tosh want that for?
Maybe he wants his mother to be reborn.
I've been hearing strange stories from the crew of late. Unexplained noises, strange visions, voices in the dark. Rumor has it these things are haunted.
Superstitious nonsense. These artifacts are completely inert and they're contained down here in the lab. There is some trace radiation, but I don't see how they could affect things elsewhere on the ship.
Heaven forbid we run across alien tech that messes with our primitive little monkey brains. Just keep a close eye on them, Doc.
Doc, you got it. Got it! Alright, let's go to Cantanien.
Grab your shirt and beat him in the head. If you don't like biscuits, be it for red. Dirt always slam about after. Jump on them like a dog.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN, your first, last, and only stop for the truth. Tonight, our own Kate Lockwell uncovers a secret shadow war waged by our brave Dominion ghosts against a ruthless hidden enemy.
Thanks, Donnie. I'm talking live with a specialist in the Dominion. I understand that you and your comrades have been against a group of... What can you tell us about that?
Well, Kate, I'm not allowed to say much, but I can tell you that his allies will not. We expect them very soon.
I think we'll all sleep a little better tonight, knowing our Dominion forces are watching over us. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
Oh, that's great.
You ever heard of a guy named Gabriel Tosh?
Only rumors. Way I hear it, he was mixed up in some covert branch of the Ghost program that produced some real scary badasses. Word was, Tosh snapped and went rogue. I'd play it real cool with that kind. He'd cut your throat soon as look at you.
I've dealt with rogue ghosts before. It's the one still working for Menks I got a problem with.
We have a problem with that bias. Something. Anyway, I like that one better, guys. So guys, that was good finish. Let's talk to Tosh, man.
Ah, he is the man. We make a good team, me and you.
Why are you here, Tosh? Our business is done unless you got something else for me.
Yeah, I got another job for us on a world called Belshia. Interested?
Maybe. But what's in it for me? Piracy ain't exactly my chosen path.
Everyone knows Jim Raynor wants to put the hurt on Minsk. I can help you with that. I can help you big time.
I'll think about it. For the time being, welcome aboard the Hyperion. We'll talk later.
Tosh will talk. Talk later. Nonsense. Yes.
There's a rare gas on Belshia, the Protoss.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're
Jim, Rem.
Would be nice to get some time with that before it gets out. That'd be really helpful. I'd use that legs.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
Woo! Tygus is doing something in this. A great train robbery. I just sound like a robber. I feel like stealing something from my family, like a hair. Oh no, better. A steak. Ice cream. I have no idea what they're wrong. Anyway, guys, this is the great train robbery. Sorry, I just woke up. I woke up to this video, doing this video. That's all I've done. I didn't have any tea. Tea. Yeah, I'm not a Milo fan, and I'm not a coffee fan. I'm a tea fan. Tea. The guard mission is ahead. Hey, look at that plan. It's actually right. Anyway.
Big job, huh? Been waiting on you.
So I just got basic.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks? Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
SCV ready. Victory is ours. I like it. How devious. Excellent. Of course.
I actually never knew about research.
SCV ready. My pleasure. I like it. My pleasure.
Anyway, this expansion over there.
Go on. SCV ready.
We got a few bits.
Not enough minerals.
What? SCV ready. On the move.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. I'm waiting. SCV ready. Bad news. What needs killing? In the rear with the gear. Go ahead.
Kaboom, baby!
SCV ready.
Additional supply. Not enough minerals. A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Ah! You scared me! At the ready.
I got
Victory is ours.
not much, but I think it's good enough for the first try.
Additional supply depots.
Of course.
Go over here.
SCV ready. Bad news.
Armed and ready.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
SCV ready.
Woo, that's good.
What? I like it. On the move.
This better be good.
SCV ready.
Additional supply. Not enough minerals.
How devious. SCV ready.
I got
Excellent.
the searching around.
My pleasure. Of course. Victory is ours. Of course. Victory is ours. SCV ready. How devious. Excellent. On the move. I like it. My pleasure. How devious. SCV ready. What needs killing? I like it. On the move.
like it. On the move. Victory is ours.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
What's on your mind? What needs killing? What's the plan?
Let's have a blast!
Just say when.
Got it. Of course. It's about to get heavy. All about that. It's go time.
Go on. What needs killing?
Sure. Why not? Of course. First round's on me.
Go ahead.
Kaboom!
I can't build here. Well,
At the ready.
Let's get some more dynamite.
How devious. I like it. On the move. What's on your mind? Victory is ours.
Additional supply depots required.
Of course. My pleasure.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
Oh, damn it.
Excellent. What's the plan?
Need a light?
I like it. I'm waiting.
Well, guys, I'm reducing my army.
Time's a wasting. It's go time!
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
On the move. How devious.
Got a whole lot of love. Oh, it's on. Believe it. I'm all about that. Sure thing. Got it.
Don't.
Let's do this.
Additional supply depots required.
What's on your mind?
Let's have a blast. Time's a wasting. Sure thing. I'm all about that. Why not?
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Of course. Excellent. I like it. On the move.
Additional supply depots required.
How devious.
Say the word, baby. First round's on me. Let's do this. Got it. It's about to get heavy.
Go on.
ahead.
Yeah, whatever. I'm waiting. Victory is ours. My pleasure. On the move. Victory is ours. I like it. Of course. How devious. Crush them. My pleasure. Excellent. My pleasure. On the move.
Kaboom, baby!
Victory is ours. Of course.
Oh, sorry, guys.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Oh, goody. Bring a shovel for the burial. I like it. On the move.
Let's have a blast!
Excellent. Gladly. How devious. My pleasure. Victory is ours. What needs killing?
Additional supply depots.
In the rear with the gear. I can't build here.
Get me out of here.
We hear you.
I like it. On the move. Excellent. How devious. My pleasure. Victory is
Additional
ours.
supply depots required.
Of course.
Need a light.
Excellent. I like the way you think. I like it. Of course. On the move. My pleasure. How devious. Victory is ours. I like it.
It's go time! Been waiting on you. Who wants some?
What needs killing? What? Excellent. Of course. On the move. Of course. What's the plan? My pleasure. Excellent. How devious.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What's on your mind? Victory is ours. What needs
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Guys, sorry, I'm talking much. It's just that you're so focused on the mission.
My pleasure. I like it. Victory is ours. How devious. Of course. course. Victory is ours. My pleasure. On the move. Get me out of here. Go on. At the ready.
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
What needs killing? What's the plan? How devious? What's on your mind? Go on. On the move. Victory is ours.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
Bring a shovel.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
Devious. Of course. What needs killing? Excellent.
I'm not avoiding them.
My pleasure. Victory is ours.
If I run into them, I'm too bad, so sad.
I like it. On the move. Excellent. How devious. Victory is ours.
Yeah.
On the move. Excellent. Oh, goody. What needs killing?
There's the bone sample.
My pleasure. Of course. I like it. How devious.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
No, this actually helped me. I'm gonna get that bone sample, then run out.
Gladly. On the move. Of course. My pleasure. I like it. How devious. Victory is ours. Excellent. On the move.
I'm right in that position. I can't move. Nope, I can't move anywhere.
Railguns at the ready.
I'm sorry.
I like the way you think. Gladly. I'll leave the house. Of course. I like it. On the move. Ah! You scared me! Well, butter my biscuit.
Oh, it's on.
A lot more troops. Woo.
Been waiting on you.
Go ahead. What's on your mind?
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
My pleasure.
It's about to get heavy.
What needs killing?
Add-on complete.
Of course. At the ready.
It's go time.
What needs killing?
Kaboom, baby!
In the rear with the gear.
Add-on complete.
I can't build here.
Additional supply depots required.
I'm going.
It's about to get heavy.
Additional supply depots required. Insufficient Vespine gas.
We're getting more gas for it now. Well.
Additional supply depots required. Insufficient Vespine gas.
I'm making supply depots to gain out really fast.
Gangway, coming through.
Ah! You scared me!
No? Why did you kick me out?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Oh, I can't. I'm doing a video. Sorry, guys. It's complicated. You're too... I have no idea your age is or what. Oh, and young. Let's just say that. Because where are you explosive?
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required.
Of course.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. Smooth Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important to go and dig her up to recover it?
Woo! The whole thing! My bad.
Sir, that adjutant we recovered is down in the lab. She's all powered up.
Talk to me, you old piece of junk. What do you know?
User identified. Raynor, James. Ex-Marshal, Marsara Colony. Joined Sons of Korhal Terrorist Group. Status, criminal.
Enough about me, darling. What else you got locked up in that synthetic head of yours?
User status, criminal. Access denied.
Playing hard to get, huh? We'll see about that.